Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Della Coklat Anaway as a student of English education. In this video, I would like to share my reflection on what I've learned throughout the course Pengantar Pendidikan. This course has given me a deep understanding of education as a foundation for my future profession as an English teacher. Throughout this course, I've learned that education is not only about transferring knowledge, but also about shaping students' character, mindset, and potential. I realized that pengantar pendidikan connects theory and practice from philosophy, psychology, and sociology to curriculum and instruction. Among this aspect, I find that educational psychology and the teacher's role are the most meaningful parts for me as a future educator. Psychology of learning helps me understand how students think, feel, and behave in the learning process. From the topic, I learned about different learning theories such as behaviorism, cognitivism, and constructivism. For example, behaviorism reminds me that positive reinforcements like giving praise or rewards can motivate students to learn better. Meanwhile, constructivism teaches that students should actively build their understanding through experience and interaction. As a future English teacher, I plan to apply these principles by creating an active and supportive classroom where students feel confident and to practice English without fear of making mistakes. This course also made me reflect on the role of a teacher. A teacher is not only a transmitter of knowledge, but also a motivator and role model. In modern education, teachers should equip students to think critically and independently. I believe that as a teacher, I must understand my students' individual differences, help them overcome challenges, and inspire them to become lifelong learners. For example, in an English class, if a student feels shy to speak, I can use simple group activities or games to build confidence. This reflects the psychological understanding of students' emotion and motivation in learning. Throughout Pengantar Pendidikan, I have learned that effective education starts with empathy, understanding, and meaningful interaction between teachers and students. To conclude, this course has truly shaped my vision as a future English teacher to educate not only the mind, but also the heart. That's all for me. Thank you for watching my reflection video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.